If you're a complete beginner that just wants to make their first $10,000 a month online, then this video is for you. You see, most businesses require you to invest money, have experience, or waste years of your life trying to make it work. But luckily, I found select few businesses that you can literally start with little to no money at all and have a potential to make you over $50,000 per month within the upcoming year. And this is coming from someone who's been making money online for the last 9 years. So in this video, I decided to share a list of 12 online businesses you can start this year to make money online with no previous experience. And at the end, I will reveal which one of these 12 is actually the best to start. App number 1, fastcash.gg. Now once you go over to this website, you can see that they pay you to watch YouTube videos, browse Google, complete different tasks, and so many different things to get your first $1,000 online and beyond. Now obviously this will not replace your full-time job, and it will not be something that makes you a multi-millionaire to travel the world or whatever, but if it can get you to your first $1,000 online for free, then I think it's pretty interesting. And the best part is that along this step-by-step tutorial, I will be showing you multiple brand new apps that are paying instantly all around the world. Now if you look at their features over here, you can see that no experience is actually needed to use this, because most of the apps and most of the tasks are really simple. It works all over the world. It is 100% free forever, and their payouts are literally almost instant, as it says over here. So far, they've paid out over $3.7 million to their users for watching YouTube, searching Google, and doing other things on the platform, and allegedly, they have unlimited task options. So to create your account, either click on register now or create your account over here, and as you do that, you just need to enter your first name, your email address, create a password, and click sign up. Once you create your account, you're gonna see your name over here, and you can see that if you log in daily and complete tasks every single day, you might have a chance to be rewarded up to $3,000 at least this month. These rewards, I guess, vary by month, but as of January 2025, that's gonna be $3,000 in rewards. Now first, you're gonna find some money guides and money blueprints to build an actual online business that can potentially replace your full-time job. But then scrolling a little bit down, you're gonna find those tasks that you can complete for smaller rewards. Like for example, here we have a $49 money-making system. This is $750 gift card over here. While here, you can get paid to test and keep products. You basically get products for free, and whatever offer you select, which by the way, refresh almost daily, so there's always gonna be new offers to complete and new ways to make money with this platform, whether it's by playing these video games or whether it's by watching movies. All you gotta do is just press on the start now button, complete the offer, and collect the rewards from the platform. Second new way to make money online with AI is to go to this AI tool called Pixels, which basically creates YouTube thumbnails. Now you don't need to have a YouTube channel to make money with this, because if you head over to Fiverr, which is a freelancing platform, you can see that this guy over here is selling one thumbnail service for $50, and he has 25 orders in queue and over 10,000 reviews. So he made over $500,000 selling this service so far. And if you go to this AI tool and you log into your account, you're gonna be surprised at how cool this actually is, because not only can you just describe what you want your thumbnail to be, and you can just take that text from what your client submits to you on Fiverr, but you can also go to some YouTube automation channel and you can basically just right click on the thumbnail that you like, copy link address, go back here, click recreate, paste that link in here, select the inspiration weight. I usually do medium or high, and then once you do that, just click generate, and it's going to recreate that thumbnail for you. So when your client says, hey, I would like to get a thumbnail that's very similar to Mr. Beast, you just take that thumbnail, and you can even swap faces and also change font and colors and adjust these thumbnails within this AI tool. And you can sell it as a service just like this guy does for $50. Now, here's the first thumbnail that we got. Text is great and we can adjust it. There's another thumbnail that is generated within seconds. Here's another one, and probably my favorite is right here, and it was very simple. Third way to make money online with AI would be to go to prompthackers.co and go to ChatGPT prompt generator. Now what this allows you to do is it allows you to enter what you want this to act as, and you can, for example, say make a viral Twitter thread about losing weight and click generate prompt. And you see there are platforms like PromptBase where people are selling these instructions for ChatGPT, and the reason I know this works is because I personally buy these prompts as well. I share them for free if you want to get them. They're inside of our free community school.com fulfil.com/obf, and when you go to the tools category, if you scroll down, I personally spend tons of money buying those prompts, and you can just access them for completely free over here. There's a list of over 13,000 free ChatGPT prompts, but you're gonna get these prompts now created with this AI tool, and you can sell those prompts here on PromptBase. Literally just click sell. Fourth, and the future of online business, faceless YouTube automation. Not only can you make money by posting faceless YouTube videos without recording anything with a camera, but regardless of what kind of business you have, what kind of offer, whether it's a physical or whether it's a service or whether it's a software, you can have a faceless YouTube automation channel that would not only be making money from ad revenue every single day, but would also allow you to get unlimited traffic from search. And if you're not there, then your competitors will be. And I even made a video on my second channel where I showcased how YouTube automation changed my life within 3 months, and you can see how we literally went from $0 to $10,000 a month in 2 months. And I made this free checklist blueprint document that gives you pretty much everything you need to start your faceless YouTube channel, including a free training there, and you can basically just tick these boxes and have a checklist to make sure that you are doing everything correctly. This is going to be available inside of our free community as well. Just open up this post and click on YouTube Automation Starter Blueprint. Next new way to make money online with AI is to use memecam.io. Now memecam is this AI tool where you can just upload an image and an AI creates different memes for you, or you can also have it on your phone, take a picture of anything around you, and it's gonna turn it into a funny meme. Now you can post that onto Instagram, grow your accounts, and then sell those accounts on a platform like Social Tradia. People are selling these for $400, $600, $200, and it's gonna be relatively simple and easy to grow them. Like, there are accounts with millions of followers when they're posting memes. Next way to make money online is what this guy's doing. So he made over $100 million online so far, according to Google and according to him as well. And he has this page where he posts these static quotes, and it grows his account quite exponentially. So I made this blueprint document as well available in the free community, where you can literally just follow along and use AI to create these. So for example, I can go to Google, search for Alex Hormozi book PDF. I can then open up the PDF file of his book, download that as a PDF, then simply head over to chatgpt.com and drag and drop that file over here, then go back to the blueprint document, and then I will just copy and paste this prompt. So it's pretty much straightforward. As I submit that, it's gonna take probably about a minute for it to read the entire book, and based on these, it's gonna create powerful quotes. Now I would then just go over to Google Sheets. So I would just open this up, sign up for completely free, then generate some background images in Leonardo.ai. So this is a free AI tool. You can just click on launch the app, sign up for completely free, go to image creation on the left hand side, then select 2.3, or you can also go with 16:9, and then just enter something, describe what you want to be seen. So for instance, I want to generate a handsome man smiling, directly looking into the camera, and this is the image that I got. So now I can just download this to my computer, and then I can go back to ChatGPT, open up this Canva template that I also left in the document, and just click edit template, and once inside, just make a copy and then remove the background image and upload your own images, whether it's literally your own or whether it's AI, it doesn't really matter what you want to promote. And then just click position, click backward, or all the way to the back. So it's gonna show up right there. And once we have that, we can also adjust the name. You can add your own profile picture and your own username, and then go back to ChatGPT, download the CSV file, upload the CSV file to Google Sheets, and from here you can copy all of the quotes. Simply go back to Canva and then go to apps on the left side and search for bulk create. When you open that up, click on enter data manually, and then you can type in that this is going to be quotes, and I'm gonna paste all of the quotes that I got from there. If you also want to add some images to change it, you can do that, or just click done. And then once you're done, just select the quote and click on connect data and select quotes, and you click continue and click generate 49 different designs. And you could also just with quotes change the photos as well, but now we literally have all of these different quotes generated, literally 49 different ones with one press of a button. And all I gotta do is click share, download these as MP4 files. So change this to MP4 video and download. I can then grow my account to promote different links in bio, or just grow it to sell the account on Social Tradia. Next way to make money online is to use this free AI tool called SEO Writing. When you go here, just click on one-click blog post, and there is this affiliate program called Temu, and Temu is Amazon alternative, and they're trying to compete so bad with Amazon that they are now giving their affiliates really handsome commissions, and they're even giving us $3,000 every week and $10,000 every other week as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to hot items on the left side, go back to SEO writing and type in, for example, 15 Temu gadgets worth buying in 2025 and click generate title. When it generates the title, you can then copy that and click run, or scroll down a bit, generate NLP keywords so that you can rank even higher. And don't worry, you don't actually need a website for this, and it's going to generate those for you. I've already done that in the past, so I want to show you how it looks after it's done. After 1 or 2 minutes, you get 2,000 words blog article, you get a title and a full blog article with images as well. So what you want to do then is find the products that were promoted in that blog article that this AI tool has been mentioning. So for example, we have this adjustable bamboo utensil holder, so I'm going to copy that, go to hot items and search for that product. When I search for it, I will find it right away and I can share my affiliate link, which earns me commissions. So then I can go to medium.com, which is this platform where you can post blog articles for free. First of all, take the title and copy and paste it into Medium, then take the entire blog article, just copy this and paste it over here. Every single time that it mentions one of those products and you have the name, then you obviously just want to attach your affiliate link to it. So I'm going to scroll a little bit down until I find the products that were mentioned. So we have adjustable bamboo utensil holder. I'm going to go here, click share, copy the link, go back here, then highlight that part and insert my affiliate link. Then I would go back to Temu and I would find an affiliate link for the second product that was mentioned in this blog article. So we go back to the search bar just like this, search for it, find the product, click share, copy the link, go back to Medium and adjust this as well. So insert your affiliate link again. Once you're done, you just want to click publish, and you want to publish now to Medium when you have all of the affiliate links attached to the blog article. The next way to make money online with AI would be to use Story Short, which is this AI tool that creates viral faceless videos for you. And there are a lot of these shorts channels that are already doing it. These are all AI generated videos which literally get millions of views. This is just another account. Here's another one over here, here's another one over here, and here's another one over here. So you want to take screenshots of these shorts. You want to go to ChatGPT and you want to say, based on these viral ideas, come up with 10 very similar new viral ideas for a channel that talks about bizarre history facts, and make the titles almost the same as these channels, because those titles were proven to get results for these people, and if they can make money, so can we. So we just need to wait for titles to be generated, and then we can use this prompt that you can basically copy and paste from the document, and then go back to ChatGPT, paste it here, select your niche, for example, history facts, video format is going to be shorts, and then style of writing is going to be friendly. And what this is going to be about, well, we can just take one of these titles that were generated by ChatGPT, we will then submit this, and based on it, the ChatGPT will create a full script. So you can then go back to Story Short, and when you create an account on this platform, you can just go to create video on the left side. You can take your prompt or take your script created by ChatGPT, then remove all the unnecessary parts. So remove all the garbage that's not the actual sauce. So this is not, for example, this is not. We just need the actual script. I'm gonna remove all of the chapters and headlines, and anything that you deem boring from the script, just remove it. We want to keep it very, very simple and straightforward, and then just click generate video. Now it's gonna take it about a minute to create this entire short, which if you look into it, is gonna be very, very similar to the ones that are already getting millions of views, and it's fully adjustable. If you want to see some of my previous results, we can go to videos here, and I've already created quite a few videos that were posted onto YouTube already and getting me views, and all I had to do is just press one single button. Next platform is a platform where people are making $35,000 a day. Like this guy in the last 24 hours made $18,000, this guy made $35,000, this guy made $17,000, and the platform is WOP. And WOP is a platform where people are selling digital products in online communities. Those can be in all sorts of different categories, but the thing is, not a lot of people even know about this platform, yet there are still some who make tons and tons of money. Like, this is literally ridiculous. So you can start your very own WOP by clicking here, and you can sign up for free and you can start selling. I personally just tried out this. I uploaded one of my digital products here, and just by uploading it here, by showing it on the marketplace, I think we're already getting some sales. It's not a lot, but it's proven that it does work. Business number 10 would be to become AI tool reviewer, because if you think about it, AI literally is the future. It's coming for us, so we better use it to make money online. Those who do not use it are gonna be left behind and are gonna be left in the dust. So you can basically just go and teach people how to use AI tools, and you are actually gonna learn that way as well, and you're gonna stay at the top of the game, and you can make money not just by showing showcasing that on YouTube and getting ad revenue, but also from affiliate links as well. So there are platforms like futuretools.io where you can find thousands of different AI tools and they're constantly updating, or futurepedia.io, which also showcases tons of AI tools that you can talk about, and you can use these templates. You can not only make YouTube videos, but blog articles and other social media posts, and you can basically just change the variables in the brackets. So for instance, if I found this Blogify AI tool, which I know helps people write blog posts, and if they have an affiliate program, which I can usually find at the bottom of the website, so this one pays 40% recurring commissions, so it means I would be earning passive income if I refer someone. I can then go ahead and I can change this to best Blogify tutorial, or best way to make money online with Blogify, and then I would make videos about it, or I would make posts about it, and then I would add my affiliate links teaching people how to use these AI tools. Next thing that I'm going to be getting into heavily this year is launching apps for phones, and it's become easier than ever because of AI to launch apps and make passive income. And I've left a full step-by-step resource on how I'm going to be doing it, and inside of our free community you can go to the tools category and you can basically follow along and do the same thing as me. I'm not scared because I didn't share what the app ideas I have, so whatever you create is probably going to be different and we're not really going to be competing. So if you scroll a little bit down, you're going to find launch your app free resources, and it's going to have everything you need to launch the actual app, including the tutorial. Next up is this platform called Bsky, and Bsky is competitor to Threads and Twitter. And when you go over here, you can see that millions of people use this platform, and it's not really competitive when it comes to selling products. So what you can do is you can go to an app like tapmob.io where you don't even have to sell products to make money. It basically allows you to get paid per email collected, and I personally used it to make thousands of dollars literally just collecting emails. You have to install it on your phone, get those referral links, and then you can go to this platform, click on new post, and you can write Twitter threads. If you're not sure how to write Twitter threads, then simply go to prompthackers.co and go to ChatGPT prompt generator. Then just type in the role Twitter thread expert and just say write viral Twitter threads to promote giveaways, because usually those offers from Tapmob are giveaways where people have a chance to win something and all they have to do is enter their email. So now we get this full prompt that we can just copy and paste into ChatGPT. So I'm going to take this from here, go back to ChatGPT, paste it. I will get a full thread created for me, and then I will just need to send it over to Bsky and share it in the same way that I did last night. If you have any questions about these side hustles, do let me know in the comments down below because I will be reading to all of them.